Hello viewer, if your Google Messages trash folder not showing, let's see how to fix Google Messages recycle bin not showing in your Google Messages app. Step 1. Open your Google Messages app. Click on profile icon. Now scroll down. Click on help and feedback. Now click on send feedback. Now allow one-time access. Now in the feedback section, write down, "Hi Google Messages team, I don't have the trash feature yet. Please add trash folder in my Google Messages app." Then send your feedback to the Google Messages team. Now go back and follow the most important part. Go to Google Play Store. Now search Google Messages app. Go to Google Messages. Now scroll down. From here, join Google Messages beta program. After join Google Messages beta program, update your Google Messages app. If you join Google Messages beta program, your Google Messages trash folder not showing problem will be successfully solved.